Hi Jim, 7 Spot. We're now on the stand with XCS Designs and Harvey. So
Hiya.
good to meet you again, Harvey.
Yeah, good to see
So tell us what you got here, what's going on. You've been busy?
We have been busy in the workshop, hence why probably a couple of cars you probably noticed haven't changed from last year.
Yeah.
But we had so many factory builds on, we just haven't had time to work on our own cars, but obviously the customer comes first. So we just got our space frame 427 Cobra.
Yeah.
We've got our box section white Cobra, which is sort of entry level.
Yeah.
So it's got a small
What
block
engine is
Chevy.
that? What is small block Chevy?
Yeah. And then we've got our red long wheelbase Cobra.
Yeah.
So what we've done, we've stretched the cockpit 50mm.
Yeah. And lengthened it, obviously.
Pushed the footwells forward 50mm.
It doesn't look out of proportion though. It still looks right.
I think when you always look at a Cobra, when you look at the side, the door does look small.
Right. Yes.
And then when you look at this one, it looks in proportion.
A bit more noticeable.
In my eyes, anyway.
Yeah.
So in theory, you get 100mm more in the cockpit.
Yeah.
So we can get up to
bigger footwell as well, presumably.
Yeah. Wider, they're wider as well. So we've moved the headers over.
Yeah.
So we can get sort of 6'9", 6'10" chaps in them now.
Yeah.
And we've done a wider seat as well, so you can get bigger
chaps, as it were. Yeah.
Yeah. And then obviously we've got the 4-wheel drive 7.
Yeah.
Or our version of the 7.
That's with the Honda, yeah?
Yeah.
And that's with the camber comp on it as well, front and rear?
Camber comp front.
Yeah.
The Dion rear.
Yeah.
But 5-link rear.
Okay. Yeah.
With adjustable roll centre on the rear.
Is that which series is that? K24 engine, is it? Or the K?
It's the latest Honda Civic.
Latest Honda Civic engine, yeah?
K20C or...
Okay, and you turboed that as well, have you?
It's turboed from the factory, standard.
Okay.
So with a map, you're running at about 430, 440 horsepower.
That's incredible.
And obviously because it's 4-wheel drive as well.
Yeah. It launches. It's not going to spin up the rears. Yeah.
And then we've got the entry level 7.
Yeah. This you extended the nose cone, didn't you? Didn't you extend the nose on this, or am I getting completely confused?
No.
No, from the original. It's original.
No,
dash,
it's as it was really.
Yeah.
This has just got a standard Hayabusa in it.
Yeah.
Good fun. Entry level.
1340.
Yeah, just standard.
Yeah.
Dry sumped.
Yeah.
It's only trick bit on it really.
And you've not mentioned your carts, either your drift carts, because this is fairly new, isn't it?
Yeah,
drift carts, Felix.
Obviously we have a 2-week shutdown over Christmas.
Yeah.
And I get bored. So I just sat there and designed these.
Yeah. So what engines are in these?
It's the Honda 160.
Yeah. Chain driven, obviously.
Yeah, that you find in your lawnmower.
Centrifugal clutch.
Yep. And they're just a bit of fun. Plastic sleeves on the back.
Yeah.
Loads of lock. Hydraulic handbrake. And you can just drift them around the yard. We sell a lot for companies for promotion.
Oh,
and stuff.
Yeah.
And they just buy them, turn up at a show with all their branding on it.
Yeah.
And then like we do at lunchtime and that.
Just go out for a bit of fun in the car park.
Go out in the yard and have a roar about.
Yeah.
Try not to break anything.
Or hit anything.
Yeah. But yeah, they're just a bit of fun.
Yeah, brilliant.
It does look very, obviously, virtually the same as last year, but we've been so busy with factory builds.
Yeah, that's good. That's good though. Keep your order books full. Yeah.
But we just don't get time to work on our own stuff. Yeah. Which is good in a way.
Yeah.
But I think we've got 6 factory builds on at the minute.
Wow. Yeah. And are they fully built cars or?
Yeah, fully built cars.
Or a mix of part builds or?
No, they're fully built, and then we've probably got, I think in the next 2 weeks, we've got completed cars coming in for work. I think there's another 4 or 5 cars coming in the next 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Hence, we're running out of room at the factory, so...
You're looking at moving or getting another...
Yeah, we're moving. We are moving.
Yeah.
So we've got the factory in Saffron, Walden.
Yeah.
So we've got the fab side and the fiberglass side.
Yeah.
And then we've got the showroom and the build-up. So, and then we've got a 5,000 square foot storage facility.
Yeah, and that's full.
That's full to the brim.
Full.
So we're getting rid of that. We're moving into a 9,000 square foot factory and putting it all together.
Yeah, makes sense. Yeah.
because we tend to keep running stuff about. We work on that car, waiting for parts, so then we have to go and get another one from the barn, and it's not really working. And then obviously we've bought a lot of stock in this year as well, so we're now running at 1.5 million pounds of stock.
Worth of stock. A lot of the stuff you're building is in house as well.
So everything's built in house.
Yeah.
When we're not, so from the fab side, when they're quiet, because if we're doing factory builds, once they've done their bit, in the factory, in the fab side, it goes into build up.
Yeah.
So then the fab side, the lads in there are quiet. So what we do is they make stock,
making stock and building it
and
up.
that gets made, goes off the powder coat, and then goes up to the barn.
Yeah.
So I think we've got 10 in stock at the minute, Cobras.
Yeah.
Bodies, chassis. Yeah. All ready to go. We like to keep 10 ahead. So as we sell the cars, if we sell 2 1 week or 3, then we'll make another 3 and go back into stock.
Another. Yeah.
So when a customer comes in, they can buy every single part for that car that day.
Off the shelf. Yeah.
It's all in stock.
Yeah.
I don't think anyone else does that.
No. I think GBS who are here, and a lot of their stuff's in house. Similar.
But it's the holding the stock.
Yeah.
So if you came to me on Tuesday and said,
I want a Cobra,
I want a 427,
yeah,
I can fill your van up with every single nut, bolt and part for that car.
I need to actually build the thing and
you
get it
can
on
take
the road.
it all the way in one go.
Brilliant. Yeah.
So that's what we've been working on as well.
Yeah, excellent. Felix is doing a quick walk around of the car.
Yeah.
That blue on that stunning colour.
Yeah, it is good.
Is that an
LS3.
LS3 engine in that one?
Standard.
Yeah.
All you need really. And obviously, there's no donor parts anymore with our cars.
Exactly, it's all brand new.
The Sevens and the Cobras.
You get it registered on a not
brand
on a
new
Q,
reg.
Not on a Q plate, brand new reg.
Brand new reg. There's no of this old Jag XJ40 stuff.
Yeah.
It's all modern, up to date, brand new out of the box.
Brilliant. Yeah. Well, thanks, Harvey. It's been an absolute pleasure.
Good to see you again. Looking
good
well
to
as
see
always.
You. Well, I've got my free kit car, complete kit car T-shirt, because I did resubscribe to complete kit car. About a week ago. And had an offer on to get a free cap or
get
hat
an XCS sent out. XCS shirt sent out.
I'll drop you a note. Yeah, I'll drop you a note anyway. Cheers, Harvey. It's been a pleasure.
Care.
Great stand again.
Yeah, lovely.
Thank you. Look forward to seeing more of your cars coming out.
Right,
Thanks, Harvey.
See ya.
Thank you.